Hi guys, welcome to IndianExpress.com. We are here to talk about Bigg Boss episode for last night, Saturdays. It was Weekend Ka War, definitely, but more than Salman Khan, the highlight of the episode was Swami Om. We saw a really furious side of Salman Khan, bashing Swami Om for whatever he did entire week. Unapologetic Swami Om. I have with me Kameshwari, who will tell us more exactly what happened.
Well, we've often seen that Swami Om is, उसको छोड़ दिया जाता है. He's been kept aside whenever there's a weekend ka war.
Yeah.
But this time Salman was extremely pissed off, and he was making sure that after this episode he doesn't do whatever he's been doing in the past. Well, the three comments that he put pressure on was one, Swami Om saying to Lopamuদ্রা that she is not pretty. Badsurat, the word Badsurat, he was extremely irked. Salman Khan was extremely irked that how on this earth can you speak something like that to a woman? Next up was Swami Om's comment on Bani's mother that I wish she dies. He said something like that during the captaincy task, and Salman could just not take it. Even we were very furious and angry that
as an audience it was like a very ridiculous thing to hear from somebody like him.
Bani also explained later on that why she was reacting the way she did, because her mother has gone through like three times cancer. She's fought with it. So I can understand, and I think everybody in the audience can understand.
And if it's about mother, you don't need to. It's like you will never want to hear anything about your mother, your parents.
Exactly.
So,
So I am so glad that Salman could actually said all those things to Swami Om, and but Swami Om had his own stand. He was like कि आप जो कहेंगे मैं वही करूँगा, आप जो कहेंगे मैं वही करूँगा.
Like always.
He actually irritated Salman to a level that he was like कि if I would have been in the house, that I would have killed you for this. I mean, seriously. I mean, he said that even you don't deserve the title of being called Baba.
Discussed about that he peed in the kitchen. For that he said
he was like, I am somebody who is promoting everywhere about Swachh Bharat, and you guys in the house are doing this for 50 points. Then he was explaining that how he has a problem. He needs to go washroom, but then dude, you can just go. I mean, pay and go, whatever it takes. How much money would you require?
Also, I think apart from that, we saw that this Khalnai ki kursi was given a miss last night. We had this Katghara in the house, and then 3 people were brought in the cut. 3 or 2? I mean
3. One of them was Swami Om. Another was Bani, and so Bani was questioned about why she is losing the task, and why she is getting so emotionally involved in the task. But I think that that's fine to be emotional.
I mean, she is emotional. We have seen that, but then she's also very strong-headed. I think she keeps वो कहते हैं ना तराजू में झूलती रहती है on two sides, extreme two sides. But ठीक है, that's, I mean, I think she's one person who actually stands for her side. And we also had former contestant Karishma Tanna and Dibang, who's been
hosting the glimpses from breaking news from the house.
So they were discussing about all the contestants. Karishma Tanna said that she relates with Bani because she was also tagged as selfish in the house during her season, but so she was like, it's okay, she's playing her game. But then they also discussed something about Gaurav and Bani's relationship. What do you have to say about that?
So what two of them think is that Bani is playing a game apparently, and she's wanting Gaurav to participate equally. So we know that how relationship games always work in reality shows. So maybe Bani is especially So maybe that is the reason why Bani is also trying to get Gaurav's side. On the contrary, we also saw that Mona Lisa has a problem with Manveer. So because Manu Punjabi
now that
left the house,
Manu is not that connecting link has just broken off between them.
And we have also seen that how Priyanka Jagga has been able to manipulate Manveer. So that's the reason why their relationship is also going nowhere for now. Priyanka Jagga, on the other hand, who is Beti of Swami Om, has raised her hands and said that I am not responsible for whatever he says on the camera. I can just be responsible of my actions. But what is shocking is also that if Salman has spoken so much about Swami Om, and that why he shouldn't be called Baba anymore, or why should people not support him at all in the house and not even give him food that much. The other part is also that Priyanka Jagga had, she spit it on Rohan's
Rohan.
face.
Yeah.
So
So
yeah,
that was also brought up in the house last night. Yeah.
I mean, last night it wasn't spoken about,
Spoken
but I
about.
hope that in today's episode it will be.
But it
will
was
be a
good
topic
that
to
Salman
raise.
took a stand. It was high time he spoke about Swami Om. And in the meantime, we saw Sahil Anand getting evicted in the house. Apparently, there are double evictions in the house this weekend, which people are not aware of. Even we
weren't. Huh.
So let's see what happens tonight. And Sunday is definitely going to be interesting. We'll be back with the review tomorrow. Thank you. Keep watching IndianExpress.com.